Hi guys! Tonight there's a snowstorm. Oh my god. We left it like 2.5 hours ago. We're here at the print shop. Honey!
Hey.
It's not cold.
Hey.
Huh? It's not cold. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna... Oh my god, check the car. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Guys, there's a snowstorm. There is a severe warning tonight that we all have to stay inside. We're outside because we really had to do some things, but we're going into the car right now and we're going home. Guys, Abby, it's too cold. Thank you. Babe, you want to tell the people some oh my god. So guys, all of this white. This is not white out, guys. This is a snowstorm. I'm not sure if you can see it. Hubby he got the snow on the inside of the car, so now he's getting it out. Yeah, babe, we're going. Babe, we can't see anything. Babe, there's only snow. Do you see where you're driving?
I know this road, that's why I know it.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. Be careful, honey.
This is called the right highway. You can't drive on this because you don't know what's in front of you.
Wow.
You just can't see it. On the camera, I don't know how you can see something.
Yeah, on the camera we can see something, but
if you're using your eyes, you can't see it.
whoa, it's so cloudy and covered with snow, and oh my god, babe, and it just had been snowing for like an hour. Oh, I should magnify it, okay. Oh god. Wow. There are still cars driving, people are coming home. We are going home.
Everybody's driving fast.
Yeah, everybody is driving very slow. It has just been snowing for an hour, and everywhere there's snow everywhere. Yes, honey. A bottom one. Wow. I'm not, wait, guys, can you see the wind? Jesus, it's cold. Okay, it's warm in the car. Everyone is very trying very safe. Oh, yeah. There's, yeah. Guys, we almost got stuck a few times. This is the snow just for an hour. It snowed 1 hour, and this is the snow. It's supposed to snow for a few hours, and we're going to have 30 centimeters of snow. Guys, we had sun today and snow tonight. This country is full of surprises. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Babe, is it still morning? It's still morning, but we're just getting out of the house because we need to, guys. And it was snowing. It was snowing, really snowing. Okay, we cleaned already, but it was snowing. There is snow everywhere. Check. Wow. I have to give you guys a good view of what happened last night. It is still, it's not snowing now, but they say that it's gonna snow again tonight and tomorrow and until Monday. This is the iceberg that we had today. So yeah, honey, I can't walk there. The snow is almost as high as the car. I can't go in the car. I can't go in the car, it's too small. You have to go. Whoa, guys, check the road. This was a snowstorm. Jeez. This is where the cars have to drive. Oh, wow. Good morning. And Sandeep is coming up. Yeah. He's yelling. Yeah, I'm coming. Okay. This is what we're dealing with today. Babe, I can't even open the door. But yeah, good thing that I'm small. Oh my god. Honey, this was a snowstorm.
It was, girl.
The snow is high. Whoa. Sorry, I have to buckle up. Yeah. Whoa.
Okay, we're gonna speed a little bit, okay?
Okay.
I have to do a snow obstacle there.
Okay, yeah. Babe, you can't see. Oh god.
We might get stuck.
We might get stuck? Babe, are we stuck?
I have to turn off.
Honey, we're stuck. We're stuck! I'm so happy we're stuck home! Okay, we're not. Just make a way. What are you gonna do?
Waiting for him.
Waiting for the car. Okay, babe, he's not making a move. Make a move. Oh, we're going. But it's like we're in Italy or something. Babe. Jesus. Check out how much snow they plowed. Check out the road. There is snow. Okay, now there's a road. But check out the snow, guys.
It snowed a lot, actually.
It snowed a lot. Babe, I think it snowed more than 30 centimeters. Because this doesn't seem normal. Whoa, one night.
Yeah.
And it's gonna snow again.
So it won't snow today.
It won't? But they said until Monday. Wow. That's an iceberg. But I'm so happy that they cleaned the roads this morning and they salted. Because if you throw salt, the snow melts right away. But the thing is, we had such a bad snowy night, but we have such a warm day today. It's very warm.
After snow, you have sunshine.
You didn't even have to.
It's like rain.
Really? After snow, you have sunshine?
Yeah, always.
Guys, check the roads. Oh my god. And it was
Our side of the road, they didn't even plow.
oh god. Oh, you're that's why.
Government workers are always busy.
Oh my god. You heard it here first. Oh, the guy is plowing his
Driveway.
Yeah, his driveway. Jesus, guys, one night.
It's Wonderland for you.
It's Wonderland, Alice in Wonderland. Guys, I am Alice and I'm in Wonderland. It's white everywhere. It's snowy everywhere. Honey, can I go play with the snow, baby?
I'm gonna play alone though.
Every time when I'm asking him to play with the snow, I'm gonna play alone. Babe, today we are gonna play with the snow, okay? I don't know how, but you're gonna let me jump from something.
After we're married, we're one now, right?
Yeah?
So you are the we.
I am the we. I am the we. Oh my god. There is snow everywhere. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful to see. This is a mountain of snow. Just in one night. Yesterday everything was almost gone. In one night. In one night. But last night, honey, when we were driving home, they have to, just to plow? Wait, so those people are really stuck. They're stuck in. They can't go anywhere. They're snowed in. Jeez. Like that car is also snowed in.
Yep.
Oh wow. Some businesses can't even open just like this one because there's snow everywhere. Babe, you are right. The snow plowing business they're making money today.
Those guys didn't pay for a snow plow. Business is closed.
Wow. Wow. Mountains of snow. And the thing is, the snow that we see here is like still manageable because I saw some videos from other places, honey. Damn.
My workplace for sure is gonna
Wow. Snowed in?
Here's Georgia College.
Oh, okay. It's also stuck. It's beautiful to see, guys, but if you're stuck, if you're stuck in, it's not gonna be beautiful. It's really not gonna be beautiful. Wow. But the thing is, right after the snow. Oh, did he plow it already? Yes, they did. Yes, they did. Uh-huh. Oh, I really hope. Okay, so guys, this is it. We had a very bad snowy night, I mean, and we're going to start with our day. Today is Saturday. I love you. You are blessed and highly favored. I hope you know that you are special. Yeah, please like and comment and watch the next vlog or the vlog after that to see where we're going today. Okay, please like guys, because I'm telling you, it makes a difference if you it makes a very big difference if you like the video. Then other people will be able to see my video too, so they can enjoy my vlogs too, you and me together. Okay, love you guys. Stay safe. Bye. Can I go on one of these?
Go.
Okay. Backwards?
Yeah.
Huh?
It's gonna be cold.
No?
You don't have the proper clothing. It's gonna go inside.
Okay, can you do it when we're going? Hi guys! Let's go.